Assalamu alaikum. Hello to everyone. Yes, can you hear me? Please, if you hear me, please share it in the chat button. Hello. Is anyone can hear me?
يس يا باشمهندس، صوت حضرتك واضح.
Okay, good. طيب أتأكد إنه guys, we're gonna wait for 5 minutes to let everyone to join this awareness. Then we're gonna be started, inshallah. Okay, guys, it's already 5 minutes. Okay, we're gonna start it. First of all, thank you for being in this session and attending this our awareness regarding that ManageEngine. First of all, I need to introduce myself. My name is Abdurrahman from IT Pillar as a team leader. I'm gonna present this awareness with my college. This awareness is gonna be talking about ManageEngine products and the futures of ME products. This is me, Abdurrahman, team leader, and my colleague Minna. She's gonna be she's our pre-sales, and she's gonna handle ITSM product. And we do have over there Hamdi. He's technical support, and he will handle the operating products, that OB Manager product. For me, I have been in ManageEngine more on IT pillars more than 8 years. I'm ITL certified, ManageEngine also certified, PMB, and I have worked in technical support for almost 5 years, and I'm right now handling IT pillars team as a technical and delivery team. Next slide about IT pillars. IT pillars, it's a company which is basically in Kingdom. Our head office in Jeddah, and we do have a branch in Riyadh. We have been there in the market since like 2010. Our focusing in the marketing for ITSM delivery products, especially for any products which is going to help IT departments. We are as a gold partner in Kingdom. We have worked with so many companies in Saudi Arabia like STC, Al Marai, Puba, King Abdullah Medical City, and also AMB, and lots of company like a government company or enterprise companies in the kingdom. This is a quick brief about IT pillars itself. Our services, we do have 2 types of service. We are mainly working with the ManageEngine itself. We provide all the products which is related to ManageEngine. As you know, most of you guys, you know ManageEngine, and they have already worked with the ManageEngine itself. We have around 99 plus products of ManageEngine, which is gonna, some of the products are free products, which is online, and the other products, it's based on the license details. Also, we do have another services that professional service means we can be able to install, configure, implement, do the consultation of ME products, training, as well as support. And also we do have one of our services that's reporting minutes by minutes about that the products and that support itself. This is type of our services. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, at the end of the session, inshallah, I'm going to be able to receive your questions through chat. If you want to, if anyone have any questions or need to have any inquiries, just please chat on our Zoho meeting. And at the end, I'm going to be answering on it, inshallah. The agenda of this webinar, it's to give you overview about, or give you the features regarding that ITSM, and also the endpoint management and IT operation management. I guess Minna, she's gonna handle that ITSM product or the category of ITSM. I'm gonna be handling that endpoint management, and Hamdi, he's gonna handle the IT operation management. This is our agenda of our awareness. Next slide. Next slide, Minna, she's gonna handle the enterprise. Minna, can you please take the mic?
Yes, of course. Thank you, Mr. Abdurrahman. Hello, everybody. With you, Minna Bassem, pre-sales engineer, and I will talk about enterprise service management category. In this category, we have like subcategory as IT service management. We have Service Desk Plus, and customer service management. We have Support Center Plus. We have IT asset management. We have this product called Asset Explorer. Okay, the most product we take a demo or POC or project which is Service Desk Plus, because with this product you have full stack ITSM suite. Okay, it's help desk software. You can call it ticketing system, and also we have many features in this product. I will talk about this in details. After that, we have Support Center Plus. This about customer support software. With the Support Center Plus, you can manage tickets. You can save the information about the account or contact details, and also we have billing contracts. In Asset Explorer, you can discover all your assets, IT, non-IT components, and consumable assets. You can see the software and the hardware details. And I will talk about this product in details in Service Desk Plus. Okay, the next slide. Okay, if we talk about Service Desk Plus, it's a help desk software. It's a content point to contact your end user or the employee to the IT support team. Okay, we have two versions of this Service Desk Plus. We have on cloud and on-premise version, and also we have 3 editions in Service Desk Plus. We have standard edition, professional, and enterprise. Standard edition, it's a basic edition. It's just ticketing system. We have incident management, so any user or any employee have any problem can open the ticket with this issue, and the technician can handle this ticket. And also we have self-service portal for every employee, and we have knowledge base. You can save the popular solution for popular problem, and the requester before open the ticket he can see this knowledge page or search about the solution about his problem. And also support multi-site. We have SLA management, so you can set a specific SLA, response time, resolution time, escalations. And also we have more than 150 report in standard edition. Okay, we have professional edition. In professional edition, we have all the features in standard plus asset management. So if the requester interested about ticketing system plus he want asset management, okay, I prefer the professional edition to this user. We have you can with professional edition take all the feature in standard, plus you can discover your assets with many type to discover this asset. You can handle IT assets and also non-IT asset. You can see the details about software or hardware details. And also we have purchase and contracts management in professional edition. And also we have reports and dashboard in professional edition. The last edition, we have Enterprise Edition, which is the suite of ITSM, all the ITSM in Enterprise Edition. We have all the features in standard and professional, plus ITSM suite. So we have incident management, problem management. In problem management, you can see the analysis for this problem. You can see the root cause, the symptoms, the impact about this problem, and you can make many tasks in this problem, assign this task for any technician you want. And also we have change management. You can make any change in your company in this change management. You can make a special stage for emergency change or standard change, and you can set the cab member or approval in change management. So we have IT project management. Also, you can open any project in the system to make different tasks, milestones. You can see all details about this project. Also, we have service catalog. You can categorize all your items, can provide the user, and any user or end user open to request the service or the item can open the system and choose if he face any issue or he want a service in service catalog. After that, we have asset management. So also we can discover all your assets and see the software and hardware details in this asset. The final, we have CMDB or configuration management database. You can see the relationships between the asset and another asset. So if you wanted to make any change on this asset, you can see the impact to another assets. By the way, any feature in Enterprise Edition, you can take it as add-on in professional or in standard. For example, if I want to take a ticketing system, and also I'm interested with change management, I can select this edition plus take change management with standard edition. Okay, about the asset explorer, which is the product under IT asset management. This is include asset management and configuration management database. If we have a client and this client already have a help desk software, but he interested to take asset management, just asset management, we have asset explorer. Okay, I'm finished this category, and if you have any question, please write these questions in Q&A. Thank you.
Thank you, Minna, for the speech. I will handle it right now for endpoint. Okay, endpoint, as you know, guys, right now in the marketing, most of that companies looking for solutions which gonna be help them to manage their machine or their laptops from one portal or from one screen or from one channel portal itself. ManageEngine, they're having one of the smart product called Endpoint Central. This is a product which gonna be help the inventory either at enterprise company or medium company or small company, help them to manage their batching, their software, their assets, and also their lot of features. We're going to discuss all these features in details. It can be able to, the endpoint can be handled or your endpoint from one portal. You don't need to go anywhere. You can sit just only on your desk and you'll be able to handle all those tasks for IT itself. One of the features of that endpoint management called batch management. Batch management, it's the main features of Desktop Central, which gonna be help you to deploy all your batch on one order, one click. You don't need to go there, or you don't need to go to any location or floor or any sites. From your desk, you'll be able to deploy all the batch at one time. Also, we do have one of the features called software deployment. So you'll be able to deploy or install any software from the portal itself. You just really select the template of the software, either Microsoft software or third-party application or third-party software itself. Also, we do have something called asset management. Asset management here, you'll be able to manage all your assets, either PCs, laptop, or mobile, or tablet if you want it. They will be able to manage them and do full control of it. We do have the other features called configuration and tools. Configuration and tools means you'll be able to disable your USB, you'll be able to control the browser, you'll be able to control your page of your machines. You'll be able to control the shutdown of your PC, profile, everything that's gonna be under configuration module. And also we do have that's image and OS deployment. Image and OS deployment, it's like a method is going to be able to deploy your operating system to any machines from your disk. That means you'll be able to take an image of the OS, and later on, if you want to deploy it, you'll be able just only in one click to deploy the image to any machines without bringing that machines to your department or to your session. Can just only take 3 minutes till 10 minutes to deploy that OS deployment. We do have also something called remote control. That means you'll be able to have a fully remote control to any machines which is under your environment, either under your network or he's roaming around. You'll be able to have a full control. You'll be able to have a deploy troubleshooting to do troubleshooting, deploy any software, and also through a batch, you'll be able to handle that. We do have also auditing and reports. You'll be able to have audit or reports about your task, what you have already did it in that batch management or on that endpoint management. And you'll be also to see your all reports, how many servers, how many windows you do have, how many operating systems. All those you're going to be able to see it in the report itself. Also, one of the features called mobile device management. Right now, most of that company, they deliver mobiles or tablets to end of users. So they're gonna use it just only for their job or their task. So at the end, the IT department, they want to manage those mobile or tablets. So ManageEngine, it gives these features to manage the mobile device, either tablets, from the desktop center itself. Also, we do have something called security management. So security management is going to be able to see your availability, see your latest patch, see if there's any bugs in any application or software. You'll be able to directly communicate it with the vendor through clouds, and you'll be able to see the reports about that, your security management itself. This is the main features of endpoint management. That's around 9 features are available in that desktop center itself. Yes, sometimes we call it desktop center, sometimes we call it endpoint management. It depends on what I used to say that desktop center, but ManageEngine right now they have been changed to endpoint management. This is the main features of Desktop Central itself. Desktop Central support two types, either Desktop Central or laptop and mobile device. In Desktop Central, we support Windows, Mac, Linux. Same thing for mobile. We support Android and Windows and iOS. Those 3 types of operating system. We are supported those type of operating system. So whenever those operating systems are available in that client, we'll be able to manage all those kind of OS. Next slide. Here we'll show the features of Desktop Central. As we discussed, we do have a batch management. We'll be able to automate it, batching all that missing batch through Windows, Mac, Linux, or third-party application. Software will be able to install and uninstall any software in that asset itself. Remote, you can be able to have a full control of that machine. Also, we do have video recording, file transfer, chatting, voice. All those going to be under the remote control. Image, as I said, we'll be able to take a full image of your operating system and deploy it. That full image will be able to customize it as a template and deploy all the drives and keep it in my server and deploy it directly. Tools, this is be able to do an announce, any chat, any system manager. I can be able to control my task, everything will be under the tools. Configurations, we have around 30 plus configuration by default in the system for different operation, either Windows or Mac or Linux. We have assets, be able to handle all the assets, hardware and software inventory. Security, be able to secure the USB, block any browser, firewall, ports, be able to see it there. Reports, same thing, be able to customize. And we do have, by default, predefined reports in the system. At the end, last things we do have managing. I'll be able to manage the, as I said, mobiles, either iOS or Android, or Windows device, which is they are outside of my network. This is the main features of endpoint management. We haven't go more deep on that products. I've just already discussed the main features of it. And next things, OB Manager. My colleague Hamdi, he will handle the next slide. Hamdi.
Thank you, Mr. Rahman. Hi everyone, this is Hamdi, technical support from IT Pillars. Today we'll talk about IT operation management that contains three products or the three main product. First, OB Manager. Yes, OB Manager Plus. This is a network monitoring solution from ManageEngine. It's contain like 6 products. Second product, it's application manager that server and application performance monitoring that can monitor the servers, the application like database, SQL Server, MySQL, also web application. The third one, it's site 24. This is combined between OB Manager Plus and Application Manager, but in the cloud. So OB Manager Plus and Application Manager, it's on-prem, but site 24, it's a cloud. Okay, next. Okay, let's talk about the OB Manager Plus. OB Manager Plus, as I said, it's contain like 6 products. The first one, it's the OB Manager. This is a network monitoring solution that have some feature like network monitoring that can monitor your entire your network and see the availability in the whole days. Also, server performance monitoring can monitor the server, whatever it is, Windows, Linux, can monitor CPU utilization, disk utilization, in-memory utilization, and services and other events. Also supported virtualization that can monitor Hyper-V, Nutanix, Zen, and can map the host and virtual machine relationship. Also, support feature fault management. So in case something happen, bad like service is down, device is down, that can send you notification like email, SMS. Also, we can integrate with service desk to log a ticket with a service desk automatic. The second module here, the network configuration manager. Network configuration manager that can network change management. That you can go from through this module to schedule backup for all your device configuration. Also, you can track the activity to know the user which changes the configuration on some switches or some router, and also you can revert back to the previous version. Also, it has rule-based access control feature called rule-based access control. That if you can give it to the junior network engineer. So when he makes the configuration as a senior network engineer, you can approve it or reject this configuration before it's execute in the switch or the router. Also, if you get bored from the routine tasks, you can from this module, you can apply the certain configuration or certain time on on all your devices in the same time. The third module called the Net Flow Analyzer. This is for monitoring the bandwidth and give you top talkers, source IP, destination IP, and also give you how volume of traffic that user consume. Next. A firewall analyzer. This is for firewall policy management. You can see the rules that applied in this firewall and give you statistics about these rules, which allowed rules that hit and also which denied rule that hit. Also, it has a feature called network security management. You can see the notification like an attack or security breach that happens on your network. Also, it have user internet activity monitoring that give you the users which sites that they access, like social media, streaming, and also if they downloaded something or uploaded something. The fifth product here is OB Utils. This contains two modules here. First, it's IP address management that scans the subnet and give you all of the IP on your subnet, which IP is free, which IP is used, and this IP is used to give you the IP which MAC that connected with that IP. Switchboard management is that make also scan for the switches, give you the status of the board. This board is off, is open, which VLAN and also which VLAN is connected with this board. The last product here is application manager. As I said, it's for application like a SQL Server, like web application to monitor the transaction. Also, it can monitor the server for the CPU and disk and memory and availability. Also for SharePoint and it can monitor more than 300 application. Okay, Mr. Rahman, can continue.
Okay, thank you, Hamdi and Minna, for your speech. Guys, I guess we have reached to the before last page. This is our client list. As you can see, we have worked with multi of a company, either environment, government, or enterprise company, or medium company, or small company. But this is some of the companies working: Flynas, Bupa, King Abdullah Portal, SAR, King Abdullah Medical, AMB, and also GCA, and lots of companies or names over there. By the way, guys, this webinar is just only our awareness. This is just only to explain you the main features of ManageEngine. Inshallah, soon we're gonna be arranging a session. Gonna be a physical meeting or physical awareness about the products. Means we're gonna be able to discuss more details about Service Desk Plus, about endpoint management, and about also OB Manager. We're going to be able to arrange it and drop you an email with the date and time. We'll be happy to meet you there on site, on the floor itself, to know each other and also to explain to you ManageEngine products, inshallah, soon. This is the last slide. This is our contact details. If you want to get any POC or demo, or contact us, or if you have any clients who wants to get more details or has any questions, we'll be able to support him at any time, or support you as a freelancers with us. Reseller will be able to support you at any time. Just drop us an email, either to our support or our sales, and this is our contact. You'll be able to reach us at any time. At the end, I just want to know if you have any questions before when we end this session. Sorry, guys, we have taken 4 minutes for your time. It's supposed to be finished at 3:30. Just wait. I'll wait for 2 minutes. If anyone have any questions, please drop it. I'll be wait for you. You can use that Q&A to drop your questions, and you can be able to answer it. Okay, I guess no one has any questions. No questions. Thank you so much for being with us. Our marketing team is going to be share with you the content of this awareness, inshallah, soon. And you're going to be able to drop us an email if you have any questions. Thank you one more again for that, for your time. Stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you, guys.